how are you all? This time we are going to explain, or I am going to explain exercise sheet number 4 of English 2, that is See Song. You know that na, this is a poem. Yes, so here you have to write your name, your roll number and today's date, that is 25th of August 2020. Okay, so let us start now. Now question number 1, choose the correct option. Okay, let us read the question first. What was lying on the sand? सैंड के ऊपर क्या गिरा था बेटा? ऑप्शन ए अ कर्ली शेल, ऑप्शन बी अ रेड बॉल, ऑप्शन सी अ स्नेक और ऑप्शन डी अ पेन. सो व्हाट वाज लाइंग ऑन द सैंड? क्या गिरा था बेटा? यस, अ कर्ली शेल. सो वी हैव टू टिक इट, अ कर्ली शेल. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टिक दैट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सॉन्ग केम फ्रॉम द शेल? मतलब शेल में से कैसी आवाज आ रही थी, है ना? ये सोचो सोचो सोचो. ऑप्शन ए नॉइजी सॉन्ग, ऑप्शन बी स्वीट एंड क्लियर सॉन्ग, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दिस. मीन्स कैसी आवाज़ आ रही थी बेटा? वेदर इट वॉज अ नॉइजी सॉन्ग, स्वीट एंड अ क्लियर सॉन्ग, बोथ ए एंड बी मीन्स नॉइजी भी था स्वीट भी था. सॉरी, हाँ, बोथ ए एंड बी मीन्स नॉइजी भी था स्वीट भी था, और डी इज नन ऑफ दिस. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ sound was coming? Yes, it was a sweet and clear song, so I will tick that. Okay, chalo. Now question number 3 is, who was surprised? मतलब कौन सरप्राइज था? द बॉय, ऑप्शन ए द बॉय, ऑप्शन बी द मदर, ऑप्शन सी द फादर, ऑप्शन डी द सिस्टर. हु वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी दैट शेल? Yes, the boy was surprised, so we are going to tick it. Okay, the boy. Now question number 2, write true or false. Okay, question 1 is, the child found the shell near the sea. Whether child has found the shell near the sea, is it true or false? किसने ढूंढा था shell बेटा? Yes, the child found the shell only, so we are going to write true here. Okay, T capital T R U E, true. Okay, now let us move to the next one. The shell was lying near the table. क्या टेबल के पास पड़ा था shell? No, it was not lying near the table. It was lying on the sand. So here we are going to write false, as it's a false statement. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, it was not lying near the table, so that is why we have written false there. Okay, so now let us move to the next one. The shell was curly. Shell was curly. Curly wala tha shell? Yes, it was curly. So here again we are going to write it true, because it's a true statement. T-R-U-E, true. Okay, now fourth one is, the boy picked up the shell and took it to the park. देखो, एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन थरली. पूरा क्वेश्चन रीड कर देखो. ओनली वन वर्ड इज रॉन्ग हियर. द बॉय पिक्ड अप द शेल एंड टुक इट टू द पार्क दिया है, वो कहाँ पे लेके गया था शेल को? ही टुक द शेल टू द होम. वो तो अपने घर लेके गया था ना, बट इट हैज़ बीन रिटन लाइक ही टुक द शेल टू द पार्क. सो इट्स अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. F-A-L-S-E. ओके, F शुड बी कैपिटल. Now question number 5, the song coming from the shell was loud. Here it has been written like the song which was coming from that shell na was very loud. So it was a loud song or it was a sweet song? तो it was not loud. वो इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा ऐसा नहीं आ रहा था उसमें से, तो एकदम स्वीट आ रहा था ना. Yes, so it's a false statement. तो we'll write false here. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now let us move to the question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given box. Okay, so here help box is there and you have to fill up the questions. Now question number 1 is, I found a shell a dash once. These are the stanzas of the poem. ये तो poem की क्या है बेटा? Stanzas. तो I found a shell a curly one. Yes, so curly is an answer. So we are going to write it C-U-R-L-Y, curly. Okay, see you have to copy from the help box only. If you don't know the spelling, you have to copy it. But while copying the spelling, you have to be careful that पूरा जो स्पेलिंग है वो आपने एज इट इज़ लिखा है या नहीं लिखा है. अदरवाइज इफ यू विल राइट द रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग, मैम इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू द मार्क्स. सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल. ओके, लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. आई डैश इट अप एंड टुक इट होम. मतलब मैंने क्या किया, आई picked it up and took it home. Yes, so picked will be the answer. उसने वो shell जो था वो उठाया and then he took it to the home. So picked will be the answer. P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. Okay, I picked it up and took it home. Now let us move to the third question. I was dash listened hard. ओके, मीन्स आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. मैं तो एकदम सरप्राइज हो गया. सो सरप्राइज विल बी द आंसर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट. आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. SURPRISED. Okay, I was surprised, listened hard. I wish you would find a nice big shell. I wish you would find a nice big shell. So shell will be the answer. SHELL, shell. Okay, now let us move to the next one. And here it dash too. So what is remaining now? Singing. Yes, so we are going to copy it. देखो, if you will learn the poem, now then only you will going to understand the answer. So you have to learn the poem to like fill up to know about the answers of the fill ups. Okay, because many times in poems the fill ups are of the stanzas of the poem only. Okay, so you have to learn the poem only. Chalo, okay, let us move to the next one. Now here you have to give the opposites of the following. Okay, now first question is curly. What is the opposite of curly? Curly मतलब जो curly shape में होता है. तो जो straight होता है ना, straight. Yes, so straight का मतलब सीधा और curly का मतलब थोड़ा मुड़ा हुआ. Okay, so the opposite of curly will be straight. Okay, be careful while writing the spelling. S should be capital S T R A I GHT, straight. Okay, STRAIGHT, straight. Now let us move to the next one. What is the opposite of cold? Very good, it's very easy. Cold का opposite होता है hot. HOT, hot. Okay, cold का मतलब ठंडा, hot का मतलब गरम. Okay, you can write the warm also. Warm means also hot. Okay, or not very hot and not very cold also. Okay, now what is the opposite of inside? Inside मतलब अंदर. तो what is the opposite of that? Outside. O should be capital. OUTSIDE, outside. Okay, now what is the opposite of sweet? Sweet मतलब मीठा. तो जो खट्टा होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? सोर. SOUR, सोर. Okay, every time the first letter should be capital. Okay, now we are moving towards our last question, that is question number 5. Answer the following question. Question 1. What did the child find? It is a very easy answer. What did the child find? Yes, he found a curly shell. So here we are going to write the child, T capital, the child. Now I have explained this before only कि whenever the question is asking by using the word did, you have to convert the verb into past tense. जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन में did आता है तो जहाँ पे जो verb होता है, जो action verb होता है, here find is the action verb. तो आपको find का क्या करना पड़ेगा बेटा? Found. Okay, तो the child found, FOUND, found a curly, CURLY, curly shell. Okay, what did the child find? The child found a curly shell. Okay, let us move to the next one now. Question number 2. Where was the shell lying? Shell कहाँ पे पड़ा था बेटा? The shell was lying on the sand. Very good. So here we are going to write the same. T should be capital. The shell was lying on the sand, and full stop will be there. The shell was lying on the sand. Okay, वो किसके ऊपर पड़ा था? रेत के ऊपर पड़ा था. Let us move to the next one. What did the child's mother do with the shell? Now it's a very long answer. Okay, it's a quite long, not very long, it's a quite long answer. What did the child's mother do with the shell? मतलब जो बच्चा था ना उसकी मम्मा ने क्या किया शेल के साथ? So the child's mother held the shell near the child's ears and made him to listen to that shell song. मतलब चाइल्ड की मम्मा ने. Okay, let us write the answer first and then I will explain it. Okay, now the child's mother, the apostrophe s, child's mother held the shell near the child's ears, and made him to listen to that shell song. Full stop. Okay, the child's mother held the shell near the child's ears and made him to listen to that shell song. मतलब अभी इसमें फर्स्ट लाइन जो है उसका क्या मीनिंग है? The child's mother held the shell near the child's ears. मतलब बच्चे की मम्मा ने वो जो शेल था वो किसके ईयर्स के पास वो लेके गई. हेल्ड द शेल मतलब कहाँ लेके गई? वो बच्चे के कान के पास. एंड मेड हिम टू लिसन टू दैट शेल सॉन्ग, और वो जो शेल में से जो गाना आ रहा था ना उसको उन्होंने सुनने के लिए कहा कि इसमें से जो गाना आ रहा है वो सुनो. ठीक है. सो दिस वे द मदर, दिस like the child's mother held the shell near the child's ears and made him to listen to that शेल सॉन्ग, और उसको वो सुनवाया. वो जो गाना था ना जो शेल में से आ रहा था, हाँ वो सुनवाया उसको. ओके, सो दैट इज द आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग केम आउट फ्रॉम द शेल? What kind of song came out from the shell? मतलब शेल में से कैसा गाना आ रहा था? तो yes, the song which came out from the shell was very soft, sweet and clear. कैसा वाला सॉन्ग आ रहा था उसमें से? It was very soft, sweet and clear. Okay, so we are going to write that. The song, the T capital. Okay, the song which came out from the shell was very soft, S-O-F-T, soft, comma, sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet and clear. Okay, so the song which came out from this shell was very soft, sweet and clear. मतलब कि जो गाना उसमें से आ रहा था ना शेल में से, that was very soft, मतलब बहुत soft था, sweet था और clear था. Okay, so these were the answers of the poem. This was the answer of that C song, unit number 4. Okay, chalo, I hope that you have noted the doubts also. Now your ma'am is saying bye bye to you. Bye bye beta.